I welcome you all to this new video. Today I'm going to talk on rerunbay.com reviews. Well guys, this video will help you know whether this website is legit or a scam one. If you have not experienced any purchase from this website yet, this unbiased review will help you decide the answer to this question: should I buy anything from this website or not? Moreover friends, if you have been experiencing any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end, as I'm going to share a way to get your money back. But before sharing the way, let's find out some details of this website. Guys, here you can see this website. It is a website that deals in different ebooks and PDFs. You will find a lot of ebooks here, including Control Your Destiny, Noble Use of Money, Non-Violence First, Psych Practice in Mystical Traditions, and many other books. Guys, all these books are available at a very nominal price here, as you can see. But guys, the most important thing that you need to consider while buying anything from a website is to check out all the legitimacy checkpoints. For this, I have reviewed the website properly and I'm going to share all the legitimacy checkpoints in front of you. But before that, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel, as it will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos for your assistance. Moving further friends, while doing the research, we found a lot of loopholes in this website. Guys, this website was registered on 17th of August 2020 and it is just 9 days old. Also guys, looking at the contact us page, we found that the only way to contact them is the email ID. They have not mentioned any phone number to contact. Well guys, there is an address given here which I found is a fake address. Moving further, you can see that payment options include Visa, MasterCard, American Express and Discover Network. Moving further guys, this website does not have any about us page, which means that identity of owner is completely hidden. Also, this website was HTTPS is secured, which means your payment is safe. But apart from that, I did not found much positive reviews here. Guys, let's have a look at the refund policy. Here you can see that it is a 30-day standard window for applicable refund request, and after 30 days from order date, refund request will become invalid, which means that they are offering refund. But make sure guys that you read refund and return policy properly and go for this applicable refund and non-applicable refund page, so that you can find out whether the refund you want is applicable here or not. Moving further guys, we did not found a single customer review on Trustpilot and other trusted websites, which means that this website is still under suspicion. Guys, I hope that you have liked this video. Now it's time to reveal whether this website is legit or not. Well guys, as this website is too new to be true, we found that it has a customer review section where most of the people have given 5-star rating, which is not possible guys, as in 9 days a website cannot earn such comments. There are more than 9 pages for this comment section only, customer review section, which makes this website look suspicious. So guys, for now I request you all to save yourself from this website, as it can be a scam. Now guys, if you are looking for the money back option, what you have to do is simply visit the link which is given in our description box, view the link properly. Please comment your thoughts over this video, like our video, subscribe our channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. Be safe, be informed. Thank you friends, have a nice day.